Ghanaians, you must be joking and stupid at the same time to think that we Nigerians will believe this your cock and bull stories. No, we won't.
Ghanaians are the most stupidest and the most foolish people on this planet. I know.
Monkancha Mahamasa Nadrian, I am Pradrian. Nadrian from Buman. Ghana happy be any ha. Minyansa or one. It will do 3%. A bini ho. A man will pay for I am Prago, Mechna Ghana.
Mutaka Mubarak. She, my editing for my make a children was sitting so ye, no. Saturday, we and son and so by it.
Said yes, and definitely, Sunday, we answer a bayabusian, a high Jamie media, but modern subscription like in Ebuson, Gruna, and Yakaka. It is what it is. I was in Nigeria for episode training, and I said, Sebi, and Quasiasem, and in Feni Masaminism, Hunu, Anna, your minister, Audi, Fordins and Sem. Nigeria for fraud or money Ghana, money about Ghana. I chomo with immigrations in the police no. Na ya publish no. Sebe nsem hunu ana yedi no. Na enya de believe that enya no correct. I don't blame Nigerians. I blame the minister or the boss in charge of this sector. Maka asem we bi. Na ya na metina aka kire mo say. Anke ye de ba ku menu miensa asset example a can Nigeria for more a Jimmy for for foolish people like Alitarians can they will learn sense, come be learning hard way our Ghana. And come on back and come be sure. Say he said you nipa de NDC a buying any penny for ministers to be in the form. Tamuchuku see a bufu so now we're trying so nam. Memo wako videos no na obubefu Tamuchuku pensuo fesi unchan die nwunu na peta ogu kom so akoma ye den a ebe ye say wrom na bo maami jimi for buy obegina ho Nigeria ni very useless person Alitalian maami we bonasun so we did Ghana for atem because of say you see achi 93 people a omo cyber fraud or Nigerians na ye nkwasi asem na ya publishing out there and they are not going to believe it nya no kre think ye chi omo na nka 10 ke de tire show mo kon any question ke ye pop ye the tie shop ye do ma goro boys na de ahwe mu nyina wo bisa say krono nti ne ye ku omo anka mesu nyansa pa abusua enaba Rashid Akasa on the otumu takafo interior minister isi me channel video bia na obi ka say Mutaka Mubarak first person was a racial for Nekano. That is obi mindset me ni mu adwen kire Yoga Mahama April May obey racial for na mpenifo ni bi asase ebobɔ minister even the NDC people mpenifo ni grassroots no astati bobɔ ministers bi for din say they are busy for nothing was a cycle munya kogufi. Look at this, your foreign minister, foreign affairs minister, your interior minister, look at the whole, look at our borders wide open. I just a bonny atutimemuni, I just a bonny atutimemuni openi bi anasetimemuni bi wu. Na ewuno e cover nipa more than 5 and say to one amount and more than 3 and say to one amount me say me dey boni dey be example e kwan e da ho ahwe gu so e kwan ketuo bi wo mankranso e fa mankranso kosunya no road e kwan kitikiti kosunya na me say de bi da road me fosa na me bompa say yankopon hu mo no fam kodu asomdwem ensa fam bra asomdwem e kwan so ye hwe ya ma abo ne ahwe gu kwan ma ne kum nipa ansa ye ko fixe yet na krum ha twen say yenkrofo nko Burkina haya ene Ibrahim Traore da woman abisi kun so mkofa ntusu yakukum omo afiansa ye say allegedly ye say enamiti no news ye say ya afi ne ye be prepare ne ma ye betimi ayi in 2 months na yenkrofo nkwanku abra akoma dan hia o akoma dan afrancho ofenso afrancho wuru akoma dan hia o ntus ye tekura nya tofo Nancy Asante Achima agogo north omu no be obi akwana enya tofo esi yenkrofo fa ka wa ha say ye greed you say ye hyehyere nya papa okrum hantia hyehyere nya papa okrum hantia mudi se Nigeria fo ni di atem na me atem mudi a nyem na me say o man na ye mo na mo say o man na mo ti match Nigeria fo me say publish keke is it what mo say won publish ya no man fan to say Nigeria me nka say foreign na ye nka say Nigerians ya chi sankofi ani akeka iko ya penti money wa sankofi so kwa no masamba Only mo mate boda no so mu di san sem hunu no. Da mo nim so mo yo ma ne bone. Afei de mo ko for police for na so jefo a kuntu ase ne nasefo bi ne nasefo akokọ okoso. Ize hu se mebu be se ukọ social media hwese de mebu ni bully minister Mutaka Percy because of this particular soldier the police huni. Se be yesi bully no. Mo fe. Kama o. Foreigner some obabu krum hana. Mampa mo anko no mo kama. Ana Nyankopon de akofa ho ne yetetemo ne ye piem ato Ghana fo twaba mo ehunu num abone ne nsem huna mudi ne Nyankopon adodo mo a na recruitment na ko piem ma hye ho se ye kan munti Ghana ni ye kan kan makwache no ba Nigeria ni tim so kan na foreign tim so kan na omudi di atem di dimu penifo atem yankwache om but Ghana ni fa kan be sin ni di peni bi atem di minister DMP atem a ye bakwache no within 48 hours me say 48 24 hours grind within 2 hours you be lay parade akwache no ed number you bi I say be kan no kre ye me di peni bi atem me bi me kase man kwa ni peni fa hwese de mmabunu di mahama atem hwese de mmabunu di mahama atem otian ye ba be choose see ya. And it's very sad. Look at the way Nigeria for di atem. You couldn't kwahwe, nkotie say Nigeria ni atwa so paye because akwachi nipa 93 watama omo yes cyber fraud. Na ti boy no nkwase asem okeka. You know bra she dan so edi nkomo. San so no mo twabo yewe mahama no no. Ye nyo be ma mfantini bi ono so atwena siwo. Aha, ade ne mfanti nyansa na to mu tirim se momo ndidi atem. Edi atem de me I don't support it. Na resha for them me bomb pa say you Rahama man do them April ya me birthday month April next month April May ya and a resha for never so April May April ni eku rame mu na resha for never so etikuru mu ase mo ana rehu but o me se babu ni bi o Ghana ha na o ye babu na o ka bibitie pani waka papa ye ntie na odi atem na e ba becho a o de frame keke metro dwabo simple 7 cities wo dabo baako be kunipa na to atwene ahobambo ko chiku abrema wo se wo Nyankopon anum wo hye bosun bi anum kra na ba kokuna to atwene e kuna to atwene ma hwa da wepene ho because e kan sem papa mo fi o manim badam fu ya kogina krutia ena wo tiem ena toilet ni promo toilet ni ebu promo toilet ni bebu egunkola o obi odi ofa chama ejana bebu egunkola ejana bebu egunkola ebe kunkrofo ebe kun abatan ebe kun nipa ohene semente ye afu odi ohene atem de amache nako obe ohene o se ohene nyese na midi watem bi me ka papa se ejana na ebu ekunipa ntem nkohwe mo mfie me disa midi watese de mebe wonim empenifo kasa yen ka denjere mo Ghana ha se abusen komra
my company people are getting now all go spoil o come Ghanaians you must be joking and stupid at the same time to think that we Nigerians will believe this your cock and bull stories. No, we won't. You know, recently this picture with the headline has been trending. In all of these, these hungry Ghanaian bloggers. You know, if they want to trend, they will mention the name of Nigeria just to get small engagements. So they don't carry this one come again. About 93 Nigerians arrested in Ghana to be deported for internet fraud, human trafficking, and all that. Ghanaians, this time around, we not lie. We need evidence. You cannot come, gather boys, snap the picture from afar, capture it whatsoever to suit you. You expect us to believe you? No, we need evidence. Show us the evidence of the crime you are accusing them of. We need to see a closer look of that picture. We need to see their international passport and their names to ascertain if truly they are Nigerians. So Ghana police and the immigration, I dare you people, come online. Show us evidence. Yes. Anyone who now go, okay, this person know this is the evidence of the crime he committed. This is the picture. This is his surname. This is his middle name and the last name. Yes. We go believe, but if you not show us all this, make all of now shut up, enter house. Shut up, enter house. Enough of this rubbish. Enough of this rubbish. Talking about internet fraud, Ghanaians, Ghana, when they talk about internet fraud, not be my brother be this. Look at your brother, your Ghanaian brother, open your social media. I don't know how to watch this video.
These Nigerian guys started coming to East Legon, Accra. Update this case.
So Ghanaians,
update this case. Then bring that them team come Ghana. Ghana, the time we did school those days, Charlie. Boys they share updates. Boys they share, boys they agree share updates, Charlie. Here 2 weeks. You go see something.
This same boy is roaming around the street of Ghana freely. Ghana police will never see this boy. Why haven't you people arrested? Why will never arrest him? Because they are foreigners living in your country. This person will go gather, they snap picture, they talk rubbish. We are not believing this story. I double dare you, Ghana police. Show us evidence. If you are not show us evidence, make us shut up on our mouth. If you are looking for internet fraudster to arrest, go to the street of Accra. Go to the street of Volta region. Go there, you will find Ghanaians internet fraudster roaming around the street freely. Go and arrest them. Yes, go there and arrest them. Enough of this rubbish. Enough. Enough of it. Every time Nigeria this one, Nigeria this one, Nigeria this one, Nigeria do this one. But Ghana is the headquarters of fraudsters. Ghana is the headquarters of Yahoo boys. Ghanaians are the ones committing the main crime. Come like, and I will snap the picture, capture and waiting to suit now. Claiming to be the holy saint in Africa, go punish all of now. We are not buying the Ghanaian police and the immigration. I dare you people come online to show us evidence. Show us the international passport with their names. We want to see it. If not no officials, make us now shut up and smelling man enter house.
Ghanaians are the most stupidest and the most foolish people on this planet. I know that is what some of you foreigners think, especially my country people, Nigeria. I don't understand. Can you imagine? You leave Nigeria, you come here with plenty people, and you start doing fraud. Now look at the headline. Look at the news. About 93 Nigerians were seen or were arrested by Ghana immigration doing fraud, and 73 people. They also found that these people were smuggled from Nigeria by force, not by their will, not by their might, by force to come and do fraud in Ghana. Some of them have been maltreated, they have beaten them, they have done a lot of barbarities to them. The question is why? I know most of you will say, okay, is it only Nigeria that are fraudsters in Ghana? Are they the only ones doing fraud in Ghana? They are game boys in Ghana? Yes, they are Ghanaian game boys. This is their country. Allow them to commit their crime in their country. If you want to do fraud, you want to commit crime, go to Nigeria and commit it. Okay, let me give this analysis. Imagine if in the world today they want to cancel a country because of fraud. For example, you need to have at least 50 particular kind of crime or 50 fraudsters in a country so that country be blacklisted. It means that Nigeria have made up about 80% of the reason why they will blacklist Ghana on the map for fraud. You understand? Does it make any sense? No, it doesn't make any sense. Likewise in Nigeria, last time they arrested almost 300 foreigners, but there's no Ghanaian inside. All these were Lebanese people, Chinese people, and like some Korean people, and some all these Asian country guys. 300 of them living in one whole apartment, one whole complex. They rented and they are doing fraud there in Nigeria. But did you hear that a Ghanaian was there? No. You said okay, some of you were making comments on it, and they arrested Abutrika for $8 million. He is a Ghanaian, allowed him to commit this crime in Ghana. That's his problem. That's their own issue. You, a Nigerian, why are you committing crime in another man's land? Look at Dubai, they have cancelled us everywhere. Me now, I cannot walk around the street, they'll be seen as a fraudster. Look at our brothers and our sisters that are doing legit businesses in Seku and in Turin and in other places in Kumasi. Look at the way they are looking at them because of these fraudsters. I didn't say don't do fraud. Do your fraud, but do it in your country. Don't spoil other people that are coming to Ghana to go to school. Some people are coming to Ghana to do legit businesses. You are spoiling everybody's name. In fact, if you like, continue. Immigration is watching you, and they are sanitizing you people one after the other. They will bundle you back to Nigeria. And I pray that the immigration, before you bundle anybody for fraud back to Nigeria, put them inside cell in Ghana here. Let them serve in Ghana for spoiling Ghana's name.
Monkan sama hamasa na adwen ayan kora adwene na adwene yemfa mbuman Ghana hapeni bia ni ha ni nyansa owo no ebedu 3% ebi ni ho oman mu mpelefo ina yem prako me kira Ghana
wo mame enwa oya aboa owara so erekase ya aboa ne ba benyina aboto men penyina adwen oya 3%. Hey aye yemba na aboa no penyin bitum fechi no ma ho bi ataya oye mbusu esa mu wonti ni nya na asofo sasa azeda o sanda nya papenti obano ko so waboa no woyɛ ma abompo eduabo na ɔkan ɛnkekam busu ɛlefafa musu ama wofie na panyini bi a wotim ɔmfrɛ na echi kwasea no yɛ nyika obi abɛda ɔbɔ bi abɛnti obi na wɔhwɛ wo ye won krofo wede nsu do ade no de nsu do ɔnwende obi nkefi emen fofuru bi do na wabetete wa asomdwe ye wo police forward won agent na okondo ahmachi na wagina do obi a wonim da kwa obeshooting o twen de obere no o sa na wo asomdwe nti aben no tie na ka esi adwuma etwa ahwehwe na na ye ya ahwehwe a ɔwana wankata butum akɔ abrochi na akafo ahwehwe aba ewe planer ati na aben bem when the code encode the workers anchira obi a owe so echi monti ma ereka trende panyini ni Ghana obi a yekwasea onam da etu ayi hwe wo kira hwe wo fie wo busuafo na nkwasefo nkoten etu ayi echi na hwe wo busua panin ahwe wo maamenum na wo papa na wo nuanom na wo bia ho na nkwasefo nkoten into wadwen de Ghana ha panyin bia yekwasea debi panyini no fie ma ehu panyinfo wo mfa so sankwasiefo na wabudu wo wufia Ghana ha ememe fie panyin wo hwem na sanbra bebi are keka kwan onye esesendama na dakro wan na kayi kaw ma obi a onye tsema na fache wo so wase ma atwo mutan wo police station ma ka dawu bi no ho fire afotu
abusuafo mechia obi biara o hwe me ende wiawe me pese mi bisa se Mutaka Mubarak etina onim nipa dodo a efese military for befa ena onim dodo a police for befa ena onim dodo a efese custom announce immigration befa na ena o ma nipa enti say ko register ye Mutaka Mubarak, with all due respect, return the money for the students. Return the sikano Mutaka Mubarak yempede titi mpenenuya Mutaka Mubarak she ma edit for ma make kire mo senior so ye no sa na wiye ye ne sa na so beye mo koso na mutoto mo pa ye be sha mo 2028 Mutaka Mubarak bo mo tia se wo be return sikana ma nkola no obi woni ba me ko bobu sia o ohiye ni wa enya foma ente se obi woni ma me ko bobu sia obi woni ma me ko share return the money to the student what him said it what Mutaka Mubarak listen. Respect yourself. Respect yourself. Not return Francolano mom did mama qualify no. Return obiase kama no Mutaka Mubarak. Return obiase kama no. O mama qualify no. Return obiase kama no. Ah, I didn't mu said wait. When you agree that difference be na wo mumu. Mutaka Mubarak ni wo ye when you agree that difference be na wo mumu. Return their money for them. Anya bia wo de wo aba mo nya bi project citizens ni sika na akemo no platform mo return their money for them. What is the meaning of this? Eyara we mu na we hey me see mo dia mo toto mo pa ye be shia mo 2028 ye be bo shia mo 2028 Ghana youth afere se ma huni akoso mo wuni ekoso Ghana youth say same way man qualify no eni da so ben ejuma ni Ghana eni da so ben biom ejuma ni Ghana when eni mo ni da so ena ma ya she Mutaka Mubarak return the money return the money to them ebusia fo mo kwaje musika o mo kwano so na mo kwaje musika mo kwano kwaje ni musika Every Mutaka Mubarak obi biara wa shone ni sika biara obetia sika no wonya sunje wa Ghana anti wa tia sika no. What is the meaning of this? Ade na mo yesa ade na mo Ghana youth afere se ma huni akọ Ghana youth afere se ma hu bia pepe so a se ma huni akọ she NDC for ma make nchemu senior so ye no sa pepe ena wia so beye ebe hia mo 2028 mo de mo toto mo pa de mo de ye kwala no mo be tua so ka 2028 de mo de ye kwala no de mo de ye kana fon kwala no mo be tua so ka 2028 ye nwia ne se number adai Ghana youth afere se ma hu mo na mo de NDC ena MPP mfa so wonya na ninie mo na mo the NDC MPP for so munya ye nenie and for so na munya ye no nenie Ghana youth muntu mufo Ghana youth muntu mufo these political parties sa two parties NDC MPP mu ni hwede maye mama ye fa ye ho adwe wo bo ho mama ye fa menyo twi njadoa mama ye fa ye ho adwe e wo mo ho Mutaka Mubarak why says omo qualify no mo ye dem for ye be hwehwem omo qualify ye be hwehwem so wo obi adi mu a omo qualify no mo ye dem for ye be hwehwem so omo nya wo mfrem a motimi amba you tatimi won motimi ma Ghana format omo to forms ni nyina no return obi asika ma no because unim said military for dudu omo befa military for unim and dudu and military for befa unim dudu and police for befa unim dudu and custom for befa unim dudu and say immigration for befa return their money for them Mutaka Mubarak return their money return omusika ba omo Ghana youth mo sorry mo omusika kodim nyina no mo sorry na mo kodim musika o Mutaka Mubarak ultimate first ka wendi never ultimate first ka wendi hey busa botimo mo fo ni kono bom krono musa twamo eboye krono enye ye parent bia ni sika koke mu biara no mo konkoje musika mo return your musika mo Mutaka Mubarak don't try to return that money na wodi mo dodo na wo shama kola fafa en kola itisa ko register shesika chichiri dia mo dwere go mo return obia sika mano mo return scan mo bia mo for bia sika mano Ghana for bloggers mo mayen kan wan sem bototo mo share mo thought in the comment section mo be share video keke na mo ko mo share mo thought ma twina mo be share comment section asen en na be kire be bia yegina obian kasa comment section asen mo share ma dwene obian kasa Mutaka Mubarak on return scan no because what me kasa onim ni padodo a military for befa and onim ni padodo a FS police for befa onim ni padodo a migration ni custom befa ada ina mudi nyamra samsa share ye ka kire mu this time around ye ni tiba o Ghana for ye ni tiba Ghana youth mama ni tiba mi 2028 masha Allah nyame ya dom na so de ye ko do 2028 sine so ye no sa pepe de so ye enti montutumo pa monpo modia na montumo pa ye be bohia mo 2028 na mo hia nyansa
no GMA Media bo made subscribe channel like de busoko nim do nya kakraka share what with me on the comment section na me hu so adwenkyere it is what it is am just so na ya betima ye audio de aba sanso na betimi our support number na wo screen so no o dwuma de bi na pese mo de won so outimi fa number na ne makasa ya bon de am na bi betima yaboko it is what it is awuja amfo nsiense a word to wise is enough omo amasem na mo be hwe say mo be chi mo be operation and ase mo be ye adwumasum sei na mo publish na nkofo be di mo atem na asefo na still na mo koso na Nigeria fo wura ha mo koso na Nigeria fo di agoro ade minority leader no opposition party no so no second deputy of one ECOWAS na Nigeria for na Nigeria na wo omko parliament wo omhu se Nigeria for egugan high kidnap nkofo me se omu ni evidence nko na omu ni evidence wo omu evidence na omu ni bia omu ni bi kwa no de ya de operation ko 93 Nigerians omkochi omu omunko every blog bi a blog ade evidence baby na mo pay amonka ho asem nka Nigeria for ho asem den na mo Nigeria for contract be na Nigeria for any Ghana for ye won't hear intimi nka ho asem and restricting Kofi coming to our country yem pe documents papa bi mfa Kofi data papa bi mfa recording Kofi and then publish video na me say 1 million PCFM for Inana Romeo ne team say over 1 million say over 15 million kwa de Ghana say as a 15 million de Ghana say Nigeria for nkwa aden maba abremu asemba kunya kansa uzo mfo nsianse besan shebi makra bye bye